Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set affiliate commission on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the product section from the left sidebar and open the product you want affiliates to promote. Make sure the product is already published because Gumroad only allows affiliate programs for published products. After opening the product, click on your profile icon and go to the affiliate section. Now click Add Affiliate. Here, you will need to enter the affiliate's email address. After that, select the product you want them to promote. Next, you can set the affiliate commission percentage. For example, if you enter 20%, the affiliate will earn 20% from every successful sale they generate. You can also customize additional settings depending on the product and how you want your affiliate program to work. Once everything looks good, click Add Affiliate to save the changes. After that, the affiliate will be able to access their referral link and start promoting your product. Gumroad automatically tracks affiliate sales and calculates commissions for you. Once the affiliate reaches the payout threshold, Gumroad will process their payout automatically. That's it. Your affiliate commission is now set up on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.